Hey guys, here's an easy do-it-yourself vacuum leak test that you can do at home with just a few tools and save yourself a ton of money. Button, hold it for about 4 seconds and blow through the breather hose. Do this a couple of times, maybe 3 times or so, get enough vapors to get into the system, and start watching carefully for any smoke coming out of tubings or other areas of the engine bay to find your vacuum leak. If you don't see any smoke coming out anywhere, that's probably a good sign that you don't have a vacuum leak. I would repeat this process a couple more times. Each time after you blow through the breather hose, give it a few seconds, look around the engine bay, look carefully to see if there's any smoke coming out. And once you're satisfied with your test, you're all done. An easy do-it-yourself vacuum leak tester. You can use this anytime again in the future on any other cars. Save yourself a lot of money from having to take it to the shop and have them do a vacuum leak test. Give it a try yourself. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. I'll do my best to answer. And until next time.